My sister-in-law constantly goes on expensive vacations and drives luxurious cars but won't stop crying to my wife that they have no food. I've had enough and took all the groceries my wife gave them. My wife has a younger sister with 4 kids. My sister-in-law is a married Som whose husband works 35 hours per week. Money is tight for them, but they still go on annual vacations, drive newer cars, etc. My wife and I keep separate finances except for a joint credit card and household bill. I also do most of the grocery shopping. This is relevant for later. A couple of years ago, I found out my wife had been buying groceries for my sister-in-law on our joint card. About $150, $200 per month for a few months. She said that her sister had come to her saying they were tight on money and she needed help feeding the kids. This was about a month after they returned from their most recent vacation in Mexico. I told my wife in no uncertain terms that I was not supporting their family. She argued with me, saying that we could more than afford it. I replied that I didn't care if she wanted to help them, but that's her business. My wife stopped buying them groceries on our joint card after, but I'm sure she told her sister because sister-in-law has been standoffish since. In the last few months, grocery costs have been increasing due to inflation. As a cost-saving measure, I bought a whole cow for about $4,000, which works out to about $9 per pound and will last us more